The system routes the titanium alloy. The larger blocks move to process A for forging, the smaller to process B. The vibrations remove all surface scale and contaminants, preparing the material for the intense heat and pressure of the forging process.
The ceramic shells are placed into the autoclave, where the wax is melted out. Steam and residual wax vapor are then
The laser micrometer array automatically scans the component, checking hundreds of critical dimensions to ensure structural.
forward. The cutting tools move with extreme accuracy, generating fine, curling titanium shavings essential.
The automated borescope meticulously inspects the internal chambers, confirming the precise surface roughness required for the Fulcrum's hydraulic system. The fully machined strut is subjected to shot peening, where fine ceramic media is blasted onto the surface to induce compressive resistance. Process A is complete. The robotic forklift ensures the finished struts are securely moved to the short-term storage facility, awaiting integration. The fully stocked storage facility confirms that the landing gear struts are securely archived, completely separate from the ongoing Process B work. Although the landing gear manufacturing phase is concluded, the brightly lit Process B cleanroom signals the As the final waste is recycled, the thorough closure of the manufacturing loop is confirmed, ensuring a pristine. The structured stillness of Process A is evident here. The machinery for the MiG-29 landing gear awaits the next batch, separate from the busy Process B. The secure containment of the finished components confirms the finalization of Process A.
Check the schematic for the cooling channels.
Looks correct. We are ready for the vacuum sequence.
The ceramic shell is canically dissolved and mechanically broken away, revealing the highly detailed
Fluorescent penetrant inspection is applied. The die is viewed under UV light, revealing any surface cracks or porosity and ensuring flawless quality.
The completed turbofan engine is mounted onto the test stand. Heavy restraints secure the assembly as probes are connected to verify the new turbine blades. Ignition sequence initiated. TBT responding normally.
Fuel consumption steady. Thrust output confirmed.
Successful integration confirmed.
I'm seeing slight stress indication here by the fuel line.
The schematic shows that's within tolerance post-run. Looks good.
Make sure the torque's set correctly on that last one.
Reading green, boss. All specs met.
With the engines installed, the airframe moves to the specialized jig for Process A, where the landing gear struts.
The aircraft is moved to a dedicated ground check station, where the landing gear shock absorption system undergoes pressure testing.
Initiating pressure test sequence now. Gas flow nominal.
Seal integrity confirmed. All systems green.
In the final delivery phase, the Fulcrum demonstrates immense power. With the gear now safely stowed,
Showcasing the raw power of the RD-33 engines, the MiG-29 performs a tight high G turn, highlighting its exceptional maneuverability.